So for the first outfit, I'm starting off with plain plaid pants and a black mock turtleneck. So I started off with plaid pants and a mock neck like this, and then I've just added maroon heels because then it kind of, I don't know, I feel like the pants are really long and baggy, so then adding heels kind of just, I don't know. Also they're sock boots, so it kind of goes from baggy pants to like fitted shoes. I don't know. It looks good, I think. So I added a black, like a cropped winter coat, I guess. It kind of just, it matches the black, but like, I don't know. I had reasoning, but I don't really know what it was, and it just looks good.
You just what I was saying. You heard me saying a prayer.
For the second outfit, I started with light wash, like straight leg jeans, and a grayish lavender-ish sweater. I just tucked the sweater in the front just to, I don't know, show the jeans a little, so I'm not like drowning in the sweater. I added a blazer, and it took me a while to like figure out how to roll it up, but you know, I got it. I like rolled the sleeve up, and I don't know, I figured something out, so I just put a blazer over it, let's just say that. And then I wore, I rolled up the jeans, and then I wore some nice like socks that had like a little frill, like lettuce edge, I think it's called. And then just my old school Vans, and then because the pants are rolled up and the shoes are low top, so I wanted to add socks to add detail, but also just to, I don't know, like, so it wasn't just my leg, I don't know. And then I also added a little necklace, which you couldn't exactly see, but kind of, I feel like the turtleneck makes it look like I'm just a floating head. And then there's also a blazer. There's just so much going on. I kind of want to break it up with the little necklace. For this outfit, I started off with black mom jeans and this plain striped long sleeve. It's like quarter sleeve or 3/4 sleeve. I started off with that, and then I was wearing the same socks as I think it was the second outfit, the like frilly ones, and then I just wore slip-on Vans, and I also added this jacket at the beginning. It's just like, it kind of adds some color with the blue, and it's nice. And then I also added a belt just for detail. So that's really it for this outfit. I don't know what I'm saying, but let me just say, next week I think I'm due, or my next video, because I think this is going up on a Wednesday. Ooh, fancy. I think on Sunday I'm uploading a video of living the life of an LA blogger. See, I have it all planned right here. See, it's right there. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to watch that, and subscribe and turn on those notifications, and peace out.